Let me show you how to use my Age Rewind Neck Cream. I actually spend a lot of time in my clinic teaching my patients how to apply this neck cream because your technique can really make a difference in neck aging. Your technique should help your skin. It shouldn't damage it. Take 1 to 2 scoops with our glow stick. Distribute the cream evenly, starting at the base of your neck and coming up to your jawline. Then come down to your chest. Then gently massage the cream in. Just let it melt into your skin. Remember, always massage the cream gently, using upward strokes. When you're done with your neck, come to your chest and massage the cream going up and out. Just relax as you do this. You should focus all of your energy on your neck and décolletage. Remember, you are the most important thing right now. I recommend using Age Rewind Neck Cream every morning and every night. Check out all of our products at anjalimd.com and be sure to follow me on Instagram. I post there almost daily.